Let us now study different cloud service models. They are software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. In previous video, we saw these 5 key characteristics of cloud computing as defined by NIST. We also discussed the features and benefits offered by them. Service models are defined as the middle layer of the NIST cloud computing model. Each service model has different properties and benefits, but they are still related to each other. Let us now see each and every model individually and study. In IaaS, all infrastructure hardware including compute, storage and servers are bundled and provided as a service to organizations rather than dedicated resources. In PaaS, cloud provider offers development framework including OS, middleware and runtime combined with IaaS components to organizations which can easily be used to develop applications. SaaS is the most advanced service model. In SaaS, complete software or applications are offered as a service to organizations. Each service model is used by different set of people. This is because each model has some benefits and manageability aspects which make it suitable to certain set of consumers. Let us now see some more details of each service model. Traditionally, most of the enterprises use on-premise method for building, managing and providing IT solutions. They build, manage and control all the necessary components which are required, such as data centers, infrastructure, OS and middleware framework, as well as software applications and databases. They have the ownership of all these things. Let's consider a typical example. A bank designs, develops and hosts all the payment and banking related applications and services on their own infrastructure in their own data centers. In this case, management of all the elements is the responsibility of the bank itself. Using cloud service models, it is possible to offload some or all of the responsibility to cloud service providers. Based on the manageability, 3 service models are defined. Let us see each service model and its salient features next. IaaS provides basic infrastructure services to customers. This may include physical hardware, virtual machines, networking, storage, and some combination of all this. You can build whatever you need on top of the managed infrastructure. IaaS implementations are used to replace internally managed data centers. They allow organizations more flexibility but at a reduced cost. Popular examples are Amazon Web Services, Rackspace, Google Compute Engine, etc. PaaS provides an operating system development platform including middleware and runtime libraries and sometimes a database platform along with IaaS components. PaaS implementations allow organizations to develop their own custom applications without having to worry about building the infrastructure and the development environment. Sometimes, depending on the PaaS implementations, users may be limited to what tools they can use to develop applications. Some examples are AWS Elastic Beanstalk and Google App Engine. SaaS model provides applications, data, development framework as well as underlying infrastructure to end users. This is the original concept of cloud model and most popular among users. All the components of SaaS model are provided and managed by cloud service providers only. This helps end users to reduce significant capex cost required for infrastructure as well as development and building applications. Some examples are Salesforce, NetSuite, and Google Apps. Let us summarize. NIST has defined three cloud service models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Each service model offers unique features and services to the end users. Depending on the model, responsibilities are distributed between end users and cloud service providers. Users can choose a cloud model according to their technical and business requirements. SaaS is the most popular model because it offloads the organization's burden of building and managing each and every element on their own. These are some important keywords discussed in this video. In our next video, we will talk about 4 cloud deployment models as specified by NIST: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. These are also called as 4 cloud types.